Hello everyone, this is Krishan and today we are diving into another important module from the Siloh Pro theme, the footer. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of the footer module, how it works, how you can customize, where to find the key settings in the editor, and by the end of the video, you will understand of how to work with the footer. So without further ado, let's begin. So we are inside the page editor in Siloh Pro theme. This is the advanced footer, as you can see. First, we're going to discuss about the content. Later, we're going to discuss about the styling. So inside the content, first you get the model setting. So let's go inside the model setting. First, we get top footer columns. So this one is this top one. So we got here a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One is for this logo and button description. Second and third is links, and fourth is the rich text area. So if I close this and see the column arrangement, here you can arrange the column. So let's say here is a 10 columns. So I give 5 columns to this first one, then 2 columns to links, then another 2 columns to this link, and then rest of the 3 I'll give to here support. Next we got the separator. This one is enable, so you can enable or disable the separators. Base footer is the base one, the bottom one, so it divided 6 by 6. It means it divided into half, 50% each. Then if you close this, later we got the footer, top footer. So inside top footer we got first, second, third, fourth column. So here we got the fourth column, 1, 2, 3, 4. So inside the first column, what item should I set here? So it's here the field type. You can select a multiple fields. So if I go here, I can select whatever I want from here, just like menu, the blocks, the form, the social icons, and the image group. So if I click here, apply change, just to see if it's working. Okay, so image group, if I go down, here we got the image group. If I set here add one, upload, sorry, let's take from the image from the HubSpot. Let's take this for just example. Let's apply change. Let's see if it's applied in the first column. So it is working. So you can set here image group or links or whatever you want. Let's cut this, undo this. So here you get a variety of options: a menu, blocks, form, social icons, and image group. It's very powerful. Let's undo the changes. So this is the first column. I have set here first column a logo, then rich text. I have set a default heading blank, then content, this one, and button. And alignment settings, you can set the alignment if you want left, right, or center. You can set this in responsive, just like tablet or mobile. So this one is first column. All the columns settings are similar. If I go here, second columns, I've set only menus here because it's only menus here. And this heading is the quick links. This is the default heading. So I edit this menu. So this is a simple menu. You can set here a menu. Let's go back here. Then the third column, fourth column, all are same. All settings are same. Just have to add the content over here and you're good to go. So this is the column settings. After we got the advanced customization, here you can add the class and ID if you want additional styling or extra power in your footer. Top footer, base footer. Now go to base footer. So inside the base footer we also got the columns. So inside the columns we got the rich text and alignment settings. Okay, nice. Rich text, this one, copyright. Then another second column, which is this one, we got here a simple menu again, and you can set here rich text, social icons, image group, and menus, whatever you like. Alignment settings you can set here, similar to base footer, sorry, the top footer. Okay, so base footer is done. Then again, advanced customization, you can additional add the class and ID here. So I believe the content part is done. Let's move to the styling part. Now let's discuss about the styling part. So inside the styling, we got so many styling options. Each content we got the style options. So let's dive in and see what are the options are available. First, we see here the inside the style tab, we got the 3 groups of styling. First is the module settings, which is the footer settings. Color options, if you drop down this, so this one is color. So I have set this the color F9, F1, F9, the background color. I can set here a gradient image, whatever I want. Then the top footer, here's the desktop version. You can set this spacing, margin left and right. Then the tablet and the mobile. So this one is spacing part. Let's go back, styling, module settings, divider. So you can add here a divider, spacing and margin left and right. So same you can add here tablet and mobile as well for the divider. Then let's go back, module settings, bottom footer, which is this one, what we got here, bottom footer, maybe similar, yes, spacing and margin left and right. So these all styling options are similar. Let's go to model settings, other settings, bottom footer. So let's go, I think, yeah, this one is also same. Module settings. So inside the other settings, we got here a custom width. You can set here a width, full or custom. You can set here you can set a custom width here. I set here a 97% and border radius 20 pixel. Then we got the footer dimension, max width. I've set here 1280, and this one is the larger devices like a 4K resolutions, 2500 above. Let's back to the style part. The model settings are done here. Okay, let's go to top footer group. Inside top footer group, you get here each of the item settings. So if I set here a logo, so if I go here, so this one is Siloh logo. You can set here a width options. I have set here a custom width 150 pixels. I can reduce or increase depending on my footer layout. Then we got the image group. If you set here image, I've showed previous in the content video. The default settings are here. Set is 150 pixel. You can set here. Later we got the footer menus, which is this one. Just to show if it's working, let's change the text transform into uppercase, apply change. Okay, so this one is links. This one is menu links. So let's undo this. So inside the menu links, you got the font, line height, letter spacing, hover color, border, and the spacings. Then we got the links, which is, I believe, which is this one, links. If you add links inside the footer content, let's change this uppercase and apply change. Links is back to normal, and this one is now uppercase. So let's undo this. Footer menu, links, now social links, which is this one. So you can set here width and height, line height, border radius, icon color, background color, border, hover color, background color, so many options, spacing. Okay, so the links is done. Then we can add here a button. If you add a button, just like I have added here in the first column, so this one is the custom settings. If you don't want to set a primary or secondary button, if you want to add another style, you can add from here. Let's close this. Now the text. So this is styling for a rich text. This one. Let's undo this. Okay, so let's block. If you add a block over here, you can add the styling inside the block. So inside the block, you get the title styling, then the tags, then the date, and feature image. So I have currently haven't set yet, but if you add the block inside the footer, you get the styling of the block too. This logo is done, image group, footer menu, blocks and headings. So you get the heading styling for font, line height, letter spacing, text transform spacing as well. So this one is top footer. Now go to base footer. So this one is base footer. You can add here a styling of image group, similar gap, the width options, and footer menu. If you add here a menu, which is, I have set this service, help and FAQ and careers. If you set here menus, you can add the styling options of font, letter spacings, line height, hover color, text transform. Let's close the group. Links options, if you add here link, you can also add the styling of a link. Social links. Okay, so many options are here, just like the line height, spacings, hover colors, and so on. And the text. If you add a simple text, you can add styling over here. So this is pretty much it. Hope you understand from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.